including allowing users to privately respond by nodding or shaking their head when wearing AirPods Pro. Well, that's advanced, Josh, right?
It is, although I wonder if it's going to be as user-friendly as just a very simple nod, or if you'll really have to...
I know, or like we'll see people walking around just like doing all sorts of things like, no. Yeah.
It's like, oh, they're responding to a text.
Remains
obviously.
to be seen. Hey, that was a pretty sunset you have behind you there. Is that from yesterday?
Yeah, this
Monday, yes.
Yes. This was yesterday's sunset over downtown Portland. And if the temperatures aren't necessarily reflecting the summer-like season, at least those layer sunsets are doing just that as we approach the 9 o'clock hour. So for today, the sunrise happened right around 5:21 in the morning. We get a total of over 15 and a half hours of daylight, and solar noon is right around 1:10 in the afternoon. But tonight's sunset, the final 8 o'clock hour sunset of the spring season as we approach the 9 o'clock hour as early as tomorrow. That's where our sun will be dipping below the horizon at 9 o'clock on the dot. And by the summer solstice, well, that's on June 20th, 9:03, and that's the latest the sun does set here in the Portland-Vancouver metro area, as the sunshine is trying to fight its way through some of the cloud coverage right now. As we sit at about 68 degrees. It is feeling a little bit on the muggier side out there thanks to the higher dew point at about 45 or so, but we will start to see those clouds decrease as our temperatures begin to warm later this afternoon. You can see it here with our satellite and radar, a nice onshore flow that really helps to keep the moisture over much of western Oregon and Washington, but we will eventually start to clear things out. You can already start to see it just on the leeward side of the coast range, but some of us are still dealing with excessive heat. We're talking about California and much of the desert Southwest. That's where excessive heat watches and warnings are still in effect for many of the valley locations. And we will be seeing our own warming trend, but only peaking at about 80 degrees by the time we get to Thursday. But look, once we get into the weekend, Father's Day weekend, that's where those temperatures will start to slide backwards into the 60s. And that's all due to this cool pocket of air trough developing over the Gulf of Alaska, working its way closer to the Pacific Northwest. It arrives on Friday, continues Saturday and Sunday, not only increasing our cloud coverage, but also cooling our temperatures and bringing back the chance for a few isolated rain showers. And this is good news. Over the next 6 to 10 days, expecting to see above average precip amounts, and that will help to pump the brakes as far as fire season goes. As we typically see the fourth driest month of the year in June, we've already managed to fill up the rain gauge at over an inch, so only about a ½ inch more as we round out the month. And we are expecting to see those drier, clearer skies return as winds transition a little bit more out of the north, and we will continue to keep that sunshine well into Wednesday. So here's what's on tap today along the coast, seeing those highs in the 50s and 60s, mid 70s for us out through the I-5 corridor as we travel out towards the east. Still feeling like summer, and the high terrain, it will be breezy today. That's why we've got that wind advisory in effect through about 11 o'clock this evening. 7-day forecast, there you go, dry skies after those clouds start to clear out later this afternoon. Temperatures peaking on Thursday at 80 degrees, and then the wet weather starts to work its way back in Saturday, Sunday for Father's Day as temperatures stabilize in the upper 60s. That would put us below average, but you know, it's not going to be a washout. I think that if Dad has any outdoor activities, it should be good to go.
Okay, that's good news for dads. All right, we'll be right back. Stick around.